Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm James. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm also going to look at all my portfolio of stocks and cryptos. In the stock world, I hold Bitcoin, Google, Tesla, TSM, Meta. In the crypto world, I hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, BNB, FXS, Cubic, Pocket. You're going to see in this video, I'm going to show you, we're going to look at technicals for Bitcoin, see what's going to be happening to the price. I've been trading for 22 years. You can see some of my experience. You can take my courses and join the other guru students. There's thousands of you, and you can also join them in the Telegram. All the links in the video. Let's jump into, in the description. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into tech. By the way, congratulations to all of you. My buy orders were on point on Bitcoin. Congratulations. IOTA up a little bit, Solana up a bit, 2%, Bitcoin up 1%, Bitcoin 42,500. And by the way, my portfolio pumping the account going to 512,000. If you've been following the journey of this account, very cool. 150 to 590 was the peak, big pullback to 490, bounce back to 512. I bought the bottom of Bitcoin. My Bitcoin buys were perfect. Look at this, everyone. Look at my Bitcoin buys here. You can see that's where I sold before the drop. And then you can see my buys perfectly at the bottom of the drop, two of them. And that's my Bitcoin. Now my trade is still 6 Bitcoin position. When I reduced, I sold half before the drop, bought back. So now 6 Bitcoin trade. Anyway, $40,000 in the profits, 328%, $214,000 trade, which is beautiful. It's only a 0.008 funding fee. So the funding fee is very low at the moment, which is beautiful. 512 in this account. Got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin FXS, 61,000 of FXS, 2 Bitcoin, 85,000, Doge, 57,000, Uniswap, 43,000, MCRT, 42,000, Pocket, 24,000, Wild, 11,000, World Token, 1% up, Sui up. I should have had more Sui. Wow, Sui pumped a lot. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin. And again, you have to do your own due diligence, consult your own brokers, financial professionals, etc. I'm showing you my trades, my profits. Wow, Bitcoin came down, bounced exactly off that. If that's wave 2, so okay, let's say, I would say that the trend line is here, multiple touches. You can see here, I would say you get the most touches. Where? You can see all this kind of action on this line here. You've got a lot of, that's the main trend line there. And you could say that this would be main trend line for Bitcoin now. Which is interesting. So this, I would say, is the channel that we've got for Bitcoin at the moment. Let's get rid of 58. We don't need this line there. My trade, by the way, on the other day's trade was perfect. And look at this. It came, this was yesterday's trade. Yesterday morning's trade. Look how it came down, activated my trade. It went from 42,200, came down to 41,000. My stop loss was at 41,353, and it came down to 41,365. So luckily stayed in my trade by $9. What a support. Okay, what can I learn from that? Put it a little bit low. I should have been underneath these wicks. But that was a nice restore. Congratulations, everyone. That trade pumped, came down, activated the trade, almost hit the stop loss, but didn't, and then bounced back. So it made massive gains on that trade. Congratulations to all of you. Now we're at resistance. We've got this very clear monthly support line. I would bring support, any trade. This is where I would open next trade, daily support. Stop loss underneath. Actually, you can easily pull back to this support again. Here. This is the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. 200. We're above the 200 weekly moving average, and congratulations everyone who bought the bottom with me. If you followed this is when I bought like 5 days ago. I bought on the dip. I bought Pocket 0.21. I got Uniswap at $5.60. I got Bitcoin at 38,866, and I got Bitcoin, this trade, at 38,943. So I bought the dip on Bitcoin, which I called it perfectly, that bottom. And the community very thanking me for that. Guru community, this guy made 11,078. I asked them to share their trades just a few hours ago. $11,078 profits, 248%. The trade didn't activate mine, but the next trade you shared, James, did, and now I'm profit. Thank you, James. 278% on Bitcoin. These are some of the trades from today. There's thousands of them in the Telegram. You can join them and trade together. So what I see happening on Bitcoin, I'm going to draw in the short term. We've got heavy chop resistance here now. I would say we chop around here for a while and then move up. Next resistance. We're in the wave 2 now. Now we're in wave 2. So second to third impulse wave is the biggest of the impulse waves. So we should see really a big move on Bitcoin towards that 49k. That's the next big resistance. I would say this is the dry. And if we zoom out, what does that show me? It shows me we're still in a bull flag. Big bull flag overall. The longest since October. This is a giant bull flag. If you just look at it as an overall pattern, we're still in uptrend. The trend is your friend. Always remember this. My target 49,000, 61,000 for the second to third wave. A long I would take on Bitcoin is from, I'm going to leave it at this video quickly, 41,919, stop loss 41,809, take profit 60k, risk towards 176, risking 110 to make 19,000, no leverage, 10x leverage 190, and you can figure out those calculations. And again, congratulations, this account pumping. So anyone that were with me with these trades, I'm going to try and get this account to 5 million this year. Will be one of my goals. The 10k to a million challenge on OKX, I stopped doing it. Why? Because I just don't like using OKX in my video. Whenever I need to make a video, like I can't record it properly. The UI of OKX, like every time I switch windows, it changes the position trades and stuff. So I'm gonna, that account is I think like $15 or maybe $20,000 in the profit, or it was $10,000 account. Now I think it's like $18,000 or something like this. I'll just keep that account as it is open, $10,000, and see if it's still just by itself with Bitcoin and the positions I had goes to a million. But I won't be showing that 10,000 to a million challenge on OKX. I'll have to do it on Bybit or another exchange. Thank you, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let me know in the comment section anything you want me to do better, change, anything you want me to ask me. Thank you for all the comments on my beautiful beard and my long hair. And love you all. Have an amazing day and enjoy life, and don't worry about things. Don't worry about anything you can't control. If you can't change it, if you can't make a difference to it, don't think about it. If you're worrying about something that you can't right now make any difference or change, stop it. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. I love you all, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.